Hey guys, this is the Epic Gamer, and I'm with Matt.
Again, obviously.
Yeah, because the recording studio just stopped for a second. Don't mind the ads, guys. I'm sorry, but okay. I'll have to pause the video sometimes during the ads.
I just don't trust, honestly.
And here we go. And y'all wondering what kind of freaking logo is that right there?
That's just a Stickman, man.
It's a Stickman.
Yes.
And I'm gonna try to find him. Oh my God, your old thing's still there.
Yeah.
Okay, where's yours?
It's a 3 face. :3. Yeah, right there. You just passed it. :3. Ambush map.
Ambush. He's on an ambush map. Oh, is it full?
No, just me. Oh wait, what the freak? Oh wow, but oh wait, one more. There's one person gone.
Nope.
But yeah,
come on, make a new game. Make a new game, man.
Wait a minute, there's not.
Somebody's name is Buttman.
Sounds like a name.
Come on, please.
That honestly sounded like a name that you would pick, though.
The last recording thing, this actually happened. I couldn't join them. I just wanted to play with them. Come on, man. Make somebody leave.
Don't make anyone leave. I'm not rude.
Comment and say leave.
Shut up.
Hurry up. Oh, yeah, I can join. Okay, guys, we're here with Matt.
Yeah, I'm Emoji Doge, by the way. Yes.
And he's called Emoji Doge, and y'all know that, and I am the Epic Gamer.
And tell him I'm also going to start YouTubing soon.
And, yeah, and he's also starting YouTube. Go subscribe to him. I'm going to probably put a link in the description below. Once I find it, his channel.
Yeah, once you find it. Yes, please.
Hey, there's a tank.
Sure. Yeah, there's obviously a tank. And I'm also on Blue Team. Which kind of sucks for him.
For me?
He's like,
oh, there's a car.
Yeah, there's a Humvee. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's a Humber.
Woo!
It's a Humber, brother. It's a Humber.
Goodbye, tank. Oh, God. Oh.
Tank is better than this.
Uh-oh. Run! Oh, that looks awesome. That looks epic.
Yeah, it does. But you better run.
Oh, no, I'm running.
People are going to wait. Holy crap, the mole and the bull.
And guys, he's right beside me, so I can see where he's at. And y'all want to see him? Oh, he's coming. And I just saw it. Yeah, you just slid all the way to me, right?
Yeah, I just got rocket. I just literally got. Oh, frick. I'm on a helicopter. Can't say that.
Okay, where are you? Oh, let me get my. Oh, give me that. Hey, man. Oh, man, guys. Guys, y'all are awesome. I don't know why I just randomly just said that.
Because I love you.
Oh, guys, there's a helicopter.
Yeah, helicopter just sitting in the middle of the world.
Yeah, it's sitting in the middle. Oh, somebody got out of it. Then he killed me, but I don't know where the heck he went. What the freak?
Oh, you're lagging a bit.
Look at me, guys. This looks epic.
It's called hover mode, buddy.
It's called hover mode? What? I can't fly.
Oh, I see you, buddy.
Dude, I'm not flying for you?
No, you're not. I just grenaded a helicopter and beat it.
How am I not flying? Now I'm flying. Now it's flying, right?
Yeah. It was good. Life was good. Yep, life was great.
Hey guys, I love this car. I love it. I love it. And
wait, jump the rock and jump over the tank, which I will be coming near you. Hey, buddy.
Hey, there he is, but he's not the tank. That's not his skin, just so you know.
It's just me. It's just me.
Ah!
In the tank. Oh.
Hello, buddy.
Like, can you move?
I killed myself.
Yeah.
I killed myself. That is bad.
And I just saw the Apache.
Oh,
with the tank.
That's not good.
I can't move the Humvee out of my way.
I'll move it, okay.
Get the tank. Oh my god. Oh, and then you got shot.
I got shot.
This thing is still. What am I doing? I'm surfing the truck. Can't say I've never done that.
Hey guys, sometime we played this together and somehow I got very, very lucky.
Wait, did I just hit you with a... Oh my god, how did I even hit you? I just randomly shot up.
Oh yeah, and sometimes I randomly shoot just a rocket and then I make it. Yeah, I hit him.
I'll kill us.
Yeah, somehow kill us. What do you mean? I didn't kill you. Well, I killed you. Yes, I did kill you, but I didn't kill myself. Darn it! Well, I killed myself a couple times.
I'm unstoppable. Yeah, I know, right?
Oh,
can you move your Jeep? Oh my god, it's so annoying.
Oh, I just destroyed
your Jeep is still here again.
That ain't my Jeep.
God, your Jeep.
My Jeep. I killed him.
Oh my god, I finally died.
Payback. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like when you fly this time.
Yep, totally.
I killed somebody. Dude,
totally legit.
Trying to do it. There we go. It's legit, miss. Legit, miss.
Yeah, legit.
Okay, let's do this. Let's see where you are, buddy. Let me get this helicopter in front of you instead. Woohoo!
I got killed by an anti-tank rocket.
Whoa! I got it in front of you.
I did. We both got killed though.
How?
Whoa!
Somebody has 53 and 11 kills. Oh, that's sweet. Hey, there's another helicopter up here just in case. I swear, if you kill my... Oh, that's you.
God, wait, how did that not hit you? That's an open top ladder.
What am I doing?
I don't know. Are you just getting in the helicopters and stuff, man?
No, stop it.
Wait, that just blow up.
What? 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 How did it blow up?
I don't know. It just randomly despawns. That's how it despawns, I think. Yeah, that's how it despawns.
Uh-oh. Hey, guys, I'm gonna watch this video. I'll be right back with y'all because it kicks me out of the game.
Watch him just try and crop out of
Guys, somehow I did not leave the game. It usually kicks me. Oh, okay, it just did. And guys, it just did that. Okay. Oh my god. Hey guys, I can't help the ads. There's too many.
There's just so many. This game is really good, just a lot more.
And Mobile Strike ads keep coming up. I'm getting tired of that.
Mobile Strike is just Mobile Strike.
Okay. Continue. The gamer's about to come and kill you all.
No.
Okay, if I can find your server. Oh, there it is. Oh, come on! Oh my god, guys. Somebody joined the game right when I found it. I'll get you guys when I joined. I'm hired, guys!
I think I should.
I'm here. Buttman left the game and I joined right after him. Here I am.
And you got grenaded by me.
Oh my god, guys. This is so hard.
It is. It really is. I'm gonna get in a tank really quick. Like, no one's hugging this tank. Like, look at him. He's so lonely. Oh, frick. Like, there's this little tank that was just sitting over here. No
hey, guys. Oh, no. It's showing this thing right here. Stop pressing it. It's going to let me leave the game. God.
I'm going to record a video.
Say that I'm here?
Yeah, no. You're already here, buddy. So, it doesn't really matter.
Are you gonna make it?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm just gonna join the game.
What?
I'm just gonna join right here. Yeah, just like join the game I'm in. Like, honestly, I'm going like to the next round. So go ahead and click the next round button.
Yeah, I did. 3 times. Not this. I want to right now. Okay, just wait. Okay, it's going. Okay, are we gonna make the video?
Yeah. When? You're still making it.
Yeah, you can start now. Because remember how Vanos Gaming does it?
Yeah.
They make the video at the same time the other person does?
Oh, yeah.
Wanna do that?
I will probably soon.
Probably soon.
Hey, stop right there. I see you. Stop.
Before I end my video. What are you doing?
Just going out
there. Is that you?
Holy frick.
Why did your name change?
It didn't change. It's still Emoji Doge. Freaking idiot.
Fucking boss.
I just do that. It's not really a boss, man. You just really killed me.
Well,
oh, guess what I spawned? I spawned at the other base.
Okay, can we please wanna play? Make a YouTube video. Hey guys, he has a YouTube channel, so he might make a YouTube video.
I'm not really right now.
Yeah, not right now.
You never know.
Oh my god, why is somebody hanging right there? You see that? Hello, motherfucker.
Boom. 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 Boom.
How did you kill me?
I don't know, I just did okay.
Okay, hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, boy. Hurry up. Hurry up. Did I just kill somebody? I did, guys. Did you just see that? I didn't even mean to. I just killed him. Oh yeah. I killed somebody else.
You just randomly shooting for some reason. Why are you doing that?
Yep. Baby Captain.
Baby Captain might just die, body.
He's on the same team. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, I killed him at the same time.
And then I headshot the guy.
I killed him with a tank. Nice. Okay, you're gonna make videos. Oh, hello, buddy. Let's go.
I'm coming in my Humvee. I'm gonna get your butt.
Hurry up before. Oh no.
Oh my god, I hit a tank.
Yeah, the tank just randomly spawned there. I saw it. Hey, buddy. Goodbye. Fly in a booth. Ah! Oh, baby Captain, what are you doing here? Oh my god, everybody, help me.
And baby Captain killed me.
Oh yeah, he's my team. Who's winning? Oh, we're tied. Are we? We're tied, are we? Look, we're tied.
Wait, let me kill this guy with a minigun. I need to kill it. Did I just kill Apache with a minigun? I did.
I killed you, though. I killed him. Alright, now I can have my helicopter back.
Game on.
Right. I can have my helicopter back. I don't even know if I can freaking, like, drive this thing right now. Okay, I can. I'm back. I'm on fire. Well, almost. Smoke, at least. Okay, guys. It's so awesome. I hope you... Well, I'm not in this video.
Gosh, yes.
How did I...
Oh, I shot you with a rocket.
Did I shoot you at all?
Yeah, well, you did, but you only did it once. Like, you only hit me.
Oh!
Nah.
No, I saw a helicopter and I just went crazy and I killed myself with a rocket.
And
I spelled right next to it, right here. Okay, this same helicopter I found. So let's just what? Look at the tank right there. He's like on the ground. Hey, buddies. Oh, that's you. Woo! Hey, buddy. Stop.
Stuff just like stopped. What?
Is that awesome?
No. Not really. Why is your tank still? Why is your thing still here?
Oh yes. Oh no. Oh, that was you.
Yeah. Dang, got him.
Oh, come on, you killed me.
And I killed both of you actually.
No, he's still alive.
No, I got him. Look up there at the top. Oh wait, it didn't show his death. No.
You didn't kill him.
Told you. Where did I die?
Oh no!
How'd you 18?
That's not. I saw you. I was like, "Hey, look, I'm here." I killed myself.
Wow. Okay, baby Captain.
Oh my god! And guys, that's the end of this big video. If you liked it, smash that like button. And I hope I'll see you guys next time. Bye!